The Bahamas Ministry of Tourism and Aviation becomes member of Global Sustainable Tourism Council, GSTC. The Bahamas Ministry of Tourism and Aviation, BMOTA, is proud to announce its affiliation as a member of the Global Sustainable Tourism Council, GSTC, joining other tourism organizations around the world in the commitment to meeting global standards in sustainability in travel and tourism. BMOTA invested time in a series of capacity building and destination stewardship programs with GSTC. Participants in a GSTC Sustainable Tourism Training Program represented a cross-section of public and private sector organizations from various Bahamas destinations. GSTC has been working with several of the Bahamas family islands on workshops and programming. During the COVID-19 global travel interruption in 2020, BMOTA invested time in a series of capacity building and destination stewardship programs with GSTC. Setting sustainable tourism development and management as a priority for recovery and resilience building, BMOTA arranged for staff and tourism industry stakeholders to participate in an online session of GSTC's Sustainable Tourism Training Program (STTP). Participants represented a cross-section of public and private sector organizations from various Bahamas destinations, including New Providence, Andros, Harbor Island, Abaco, Eleuthera, San Salvador, Exuma, Long Island, Bimini, Cat Island, and Grand Bahama Island. In the months following, GSTC has been working with several of the Bahamas family islands on workshops and programming to support the establishment of destination stewardship councils which will implement the GSTC destination criteria. Council members have expressed excitement about the opportunity to shape more sustainable development of their local communities. Both GSTC and the Bahamas look forward to sharing the results of this work in the coming months. The compelling physical beauty and geographic diversity of the islands of the Bahamas make them a top destination for travelers from all ends of the earth year over year, said the Honorable Dionisio de Aguilar, Bahamas Minister of Tourism and Aviation. We see it as our duty to ensure that we are doing all that we can to maintain the health of our country's environmental ecosystems and protection of its biodiversity for the future generations, and our alignment with GSTC is an essential step in the journey. We are grateful to be a partner in GSTC's global efforts and look forward to enhancing our commitment to sustainable tourism in the Bahamas, using their destination criteria as a critical guide to success, remarked Crystal Bethel, Senior Director, Sustainable Tourism, the Bahamas Ministry of Tourism and Aviation. GSTC welcomes the Bahamas. We welcome the Bahamas as a member of GSTC, joining a growing group of national tourism organizations from throughout the world. GSTC also applauds the initiative of the Bahamas in taking advantage of a series of GSTC training and capacity building resources to better position this island nation for a strong recovery and more resilient future, said Randy Durband, GSTC CEO. The Bahamas showed strategic foresight in launching this partnership with GSTC at this critical moment, noted Kathleen Pittman, GSTC Program Director for the Caribbean and Strategic Partnerships. Driving our work together is the Bahamas' priority of tourism recovery, which has local community benefits as its central objective. GSTC encourages national tourism organizations (NTOs) and destination management organizations (DMOs), pursuing sustainability practices in the development and management of tourism, to join as GSTC members and apply the GSTC destination criteria. Destinations can eventually aim for being certified by a GSTC-accredited certification body as a sustainable tourist destination. The Bahamas government is a protector of both the archipelago's pristine beauty and its endangered species and takes pride in being an eco-friendly destination. The critically important work of preserving these natural environments is managed by the Bahamas National Trust, an organization noted for its vast land-based and wetland conservation efforts on the islands of Andros, Abaco, New Providence, Exuma, Eleuthera, Grand Bahama, and Inagua, the latter of which is home to the largest remaining breeding colony of West Indian flamingos in the world. For more information about ecotourism in the Bahamas, visit www.bahamas.com. About the Bahamas. With over 700 islands and keys and 16 unique island destinations, the Bahamas lies just 50 miles off the coast of Florida, offering an easy flyaway escape that transports travelers away from their everyday. The islands of the Bahamas have world-class fishing, diving, boating, birding, and nature-based activities, thousands of miles of the Earth's most spectacular water and pristine beaches waiting for families, couples and adventurers. Explore all the islands have to offer at www.bahamas.com. Or on Facebook, YouTube or Instagram to see why it's better in the Bahamas. More news about the Bahamas,